Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add multiple users on Zabbix using a Python script. So the script which I've created uses a CSV file with these headers and creates the users on Zabbix accordingly. Currently the user group field is empty because I'm going to create the user groups by going into administration, user groups. Let's create a couple of user groups and let's call our first one as company internal users, and we'll allow it through LDAP. And since this would be for our internal users, we are going to give them read write permission. I'm going to select all my groups and add it. I'm going to create another group called company external users, and I'm just going to leave the front end access as default, and I'm just going to give them read only permissions here. And I will add it. So as you can see, I've created two user groups. Now in order to find out the user group ID for these, click on the user group and click on the address bar. You will see that the internal user group has a group ID of 13. So I'm going to update 13 over here. And since they would be logging through the LDAP, I'm not using any password for them. Now let's take a look at the group ID for our external users. And it's 14. All right. So I'm going to save this file, and the script which I've created is on my GitHub. I'll share the link with you in the description of this video. You can download the file from that particular link using this particular button. Since I have the file with me locally, I'm going to just copy the files on my Zabbix server using WinSCP. I will share the directory where I'm working and I will list the contents. So my script and my users file has been updated on my machine where the Zabbix server is running. All I need to do now is update the permissions of my script to be executable in nature. So I'm going to run chmod plus x and my script name. I will quickly verify that my Zabbix URL is correct. So the Zabbix URL on my script is this one. And as you can see, it's the same one on my Zabbix. So let's go ahead and clear the screen once again and list the contents. Before running the script, we need to ensure that we have a couple of packages installed on our Zabbix server, and I have listed those packages on the script itself. So firstly, you need to run yum install python 3-pip. So by default, you would understand that we need to have Python 3 on our machine. And I will run the pip install requests. And I'll clear the screen once again and list the contents and run my script using Python 3. Make sure the extension of your script has .py in the end and it's executable in nature so that it can be run using Python 3. It's asking for our username, so please do ensure you're entering your super admin user credential here because only super admins have the authority to create users on Zabbix. I'm going to enter the password and I'm going to enter the path of my CSV file. So I've kept the CSV file in temp, Zabbix, and users.csv. All right, so that executed smoothly. Let's take a look on the Zabbix user interface now. All right, as you can see, all the 4 users got created in the respective user groups. We are going to try and log into one of the users, which is external. So I'm going to copy the username and sign out of this and copy the password of the user. And there you go. I'm able to log in using the credentials which I had created on my CSV file. Well, I hope this has been informative. I would like to thank you for viewing.